Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it. Today, I think I'm going to do another mukbang for you all. So it is 7:30 in the morning. I have to be at training at 08. As you all know, I'm cadre this whole week for Army Warrior Task. So what that means is I'm an instructor for soldiers that are getting refresher training on basic Army Warrior Task. I'm out in the field this whole week training all of the soldiers in the hospital. They come through twice a day in 2 groups to get their refresher training, and I am out there training the soldiers. But it has allowed me to do these mukbangs for y'all, and y'all seem to like these mukbangs. So I think I'm going to do a breakfast mukbang because I'm hungry. Your girl is hungry, and I got a taste for some Burger King breakfast because I like their French toast sticks and I like their mocha coffee. So I'm gonna take y'all with me to Burger King, and then we're gonna get this breakfast mukbang on because I got some tea that I want to spill for y'all.
Good morning, welcome parking the show. How may I help you today?
Good morning. Can I have a number 10, please?
The 5-piece French toast?
Yes.
And what size on that meal, honey?
A small, and can I get it with an iced coffee?
You want vanilla or mocha?
Mocha.
Alrighty. So we got a 5-piece French toast, small with an iced mocha. Is that correct?
That's right.
And what else for you today?
That'll be it.
Alright, honey, your total is 508 at the first window. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So today I'm coming back with another mukbang because y'all seem to like it so much. This person probably looking at me like, who is she talking to? Why is she talking to her camera? I tried to go somewhere where nobody else was. There's not literally not one car on this road. And this person, oh, he checking in the order. Anyway, I'm at Burger King, y'all. I'm doing a breakfast mukbang today. And when I tell you this iced coffee, the mocha iced coffee from Burger King, so good. Okay, so let's get started. Before I get started, I want to put it out to y'all that I do have a giveaway going on my channel, but like nobody has entered the giveaway. So if you want to be a part of the giveaway, go back and watch the Army is Kicking Us Out of Georgia video. At the end, I said there's a giveaway, and the instructions to enter the giveaway are in the description box of that video. So make sure you check out that video. I might put those same directions in this video, but go check it out if you want to enter the video. If you want to enter the giveaway. So I'm in training all week. I'm giving training actually to the soldiers. I'm a part of the instructor crew that's giving training. So we're out in the field all week giving training to the soldiers. So I have later start times to come to work and longer lunches. So that means mukbangs for y'all. And y'all loved my last mukbang. Like, I got a lot of good positivity, a lot of good responses on that mukbang. So I thought I would do a breakfast mukbang for you all since I had time. And today is going to be a Burger King mukbang. So let me set my stuff up for y'all so I can show y'all what I got. Because y'all was all up in my sub sandwich last time. Like, your Subway looked good in the mug. And it was. It was, child. It was. I don't eat Burger King at all. Like, at all. But I will eat their breakfast. And so, let me squeeze my little ketchup. Let me show y'all what I got. So, I only get, like, at each place I go to, I only get certain things. Like, I don't get everything from every place. So, today, I got, I don't want my syrup to spill. Let me move that. I got French toast and hash browns. But, like, the main thing that I came here for was the iced coffee. It's so good. So, I'm like a little kid with French toast sticks. So I wanted to talk to you all today about relationships in the military. It's so good. So good. Let's talk about basic training, because that's where people get caught up. And I let me shout this out real quick. My Marriage in the Military series, if you have not watched it, go check that series out, because my husband and I talk a lot about being married, having family members, you know, what not to do when you're trying to hook up with somebody, especially if you deploy or something like that. So check that out, because a lot of this that I probably mentioned today is probably in that series. But I'm going to tell everybody, I'm going to put this out again. When you go to the military, go to basic training and AIT, you're going to hook up with somebody. Not everybody. I'll put that out there. Not everybody. But about half the people is. And don't do it. Don't get married. It happens. I say it. It sounds funny. I say it. But it happens. Do not get married in AIT to somebody that you met in AIT. Because you're around these people a lot for a short amount of time. You know what I mean? You together with these people every day while you're in training. Feelings develop. And you think you like this person. You don't really know this person. Y'all in a constricted environment. And you think you like this person. Let me tell you, it happens to people all the time. They get caught up. They marry these people in AIT. They have babies with these people in AIT. They get to their first duty station and realize this is not the person I thought it was. This person has more, what's the word? Like, it's not as strict. The rules aren't as strict, so they have more time to do stuff and to go out and get in trouble and meet new people. Because at first in AIT and basic, it was confined to these certain group of people. So you're going to like who you around every day. But when the group of people get bigger, the pool gets bigger, their eyes going to get bigger too. It's just like not a good environment to breed a relationship. So don't do it. Don't do it in AIT. Wait. I tell everybody to wait. Wait till you get to your first duty station. Get to know your job first. Focus on your job, your career, your school. Get to know the ropes, and then try to find you somebody to get in a relationship with. Because these little basic training and AIT marriages don't last. I know so many people who got married in AIT, and it was like, what was I thinking? Like, when you're young and dumb, you do some crazy stuff. So some crazy stuff that I did at AIT. And I got married, but I didn't get married to somebody that was in my AIT. I got married to my boyfriend from back home. This is before Babe Gate. Because I'm telling you, people be getting married left and right, especially you get them orders. And that's the only way that the Army or the military will pay for that person to co-live with you, is y'all got to be married. If y'all married, they will pack that person up from your home or record and ship them to wherever you at. So I was like, I'm going to Japan. I was like, the only way for you to go to Japan with me is if we get married. That way we can get a house and everything. So we got married. It didn't work out. Ended up getting a divorce. Was married like 6 months. So I'm telling you, don't do it. And I tell y'all this because it has happened to me, and it has happened to more people than you think. The other thing I want to speak about relationships in the military, because somebody asked me about, you know, being dual military when both people are service members. So when both people are service members, man, French toast is slamming. The syrup, so good. When both people are military, you sign up for what's called the Married Army Couple Program in the Army. Now, you can marry somebody of a different branch. Like, say I'm Army and I marry somebody in the Navy. I'm sure there's paperwork you put in. I don't know what it's called, how it works, because I never did it. But you marry somebody in the Army. If you're Army, you marry somebody in the Army. You enter in the Married Army Couples Program. What that does is let Big Army know You know, people who send you orders and tell you where you're going to get stationed know that, hey, this person got a spouse, and we need to try to keep them together. So what they'll do is, when it's time for the highest ranking person to PCS, then say I'm medical, because I am. So I have a medical branch, a branch that's in charge of all the people that's medical in the Army. My husband is MI, military intelligence. So the intelligence branch, my husband outranks me. So his intelligence branch will call my medical branch and say, hey, we want to move Sergeant Wilson, male type, to, let's say, Germany. We need to look for a slot for his wife, who is a pharmacy tech, in Germany, within 50 miles of where we're sending him. So they'll talk, they'll get together, and they'll say, it's a slot for her at this hospital, and he can go to that unit. Or, there's no slots in this hospital, but she can go to the next base that's within 50 miles, and they can live in the middle. So that's what a lot of people do. So when you get married, make sure you enter into the Married Army Couple Program so that you and your spouse can stay together. Now, that's if y'all both do military. If you marry a civilian, meaning one of you are active duty and one person is not in the military, they just a regular civilian citizen, then if you marry them after you come in, then you will just fill out paperwork with your unit, and that lets them know, you know, they send it up to your branch, hey, this person is married. So when it's time for you to come down on orders, in your orders it will say that you're authorized to move with your dependents. So your spouse and your kids, if you have kids, will be your dependents, and you can move, they can move with you. So that's pretty much how it works. Man, this smells good. But my biggest thing is these little quick relationships. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't fall for the okey doke. I'm telling you, people be young, dumb, out of control, and do things they regret. Like, I know so many people that got married young, regretted, had kids with people they barely knew, like in AIT. Like, you only know this person for like 3 months, and now you done had a baby with them, and they done went to this duty station, and you done went to this duty station, and y'all don't even talk. Like, so don't do it, guys. Don't do it. If you have any more like relationship type questions, let me know down below in the comment box, because I get questions all the time about what is it like to be, you know, have a family in the military. And I've answered that question several times. That's in my military 10 for 10. So if you're wondering about that, go check it out. But having a family in the military is hard, I'm not gonna lie, but it's definitely doable. It's definitely something you can do and something you can manage. Like I said, the Army authorized you to let your family go with you to most places. Not every single place. Some places, you know, of course, combat, and, you know, some short tours they can't go with you, but for the most part, they authorize your family to go with you. You have to manage your family in your life. Your unit knows that you have a family, but your career, you know, your job is, of course, I'm not going to say first, but your job is your job. Sometimes you got to do things you don't want to do to support your family. And I'm not talking, that did not sound good. Sometimes you gotta do things you don't want to do. I mean, like, you know, go to the field, work late, go in early, do PT, things like that. But if you're thinking about joining the military, if you have a family, you have a significant other back home, make sure you talk it over with them. Make sure it's something that y'all agree on together, because it is a big sacrifice. Your life will change. And it's what you make of it. So that's all I have to say. I'm about to head to my training, y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.